guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson guys and you need to remove or replace coolant temperature sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located and how to get to it guys. Now we're demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI this generation engine, but even if you have a newer updated engine, even if it's different engine, it may be helpful and maybe the same location. We'll explain why, so make sure to stay until the end. There is one simple mistake people make when replacing the coolant temperature sensor that can actually overheat your engine and you can say bye-bye to your engine, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So specifically guys, we said this is the 2.4 GDI engine that we have right here. Now we have the engine out with almost everything that you're going to see in the car, even radiators and everything like that. Before you change the coolant temperature sensor, you need to drain your coolant. Why? Because otherwise you're going to leak coolant everywhere. First, it's dangerous, poisonous, and you can get things wet, connectors and things like that that can affect your electronics. So let the car sit overnight, don't drive it for at least half a day. Make sure the engine, everything is completely cold, and slowly open the radiator cap guys to let the pressure out of the system. Okay, then you need to drain the coolant. If you want to see how to drain the coolant on Hyundai Tucson, we have the video on our channel that will explain how to do that. We have ours already drained. Once you do that guys, what you need to do, okay, if you come right here, let's go ahead actually and remove the upper engine cover so I can show you better with the camera, okay, what we're doing here and what to do. Even if you have a different generation Hyundai Tucson, come to the very right side of the vehicle. Right here is your thermostat housing. Usually on the thermostat housing somewhere you will have the coolant temperature sensor. And looking right here guys, okay, right there, that's your coolant temperature sensor. It will be a sensor that has wires and it goes to the coolant thermostat housing. So in order to replace it, okay, you need to disconnect the connector. So grab it, okay, and in our case, you can see right here, okay, right here you press down and you pull it out. If it doesn't want to come out, push it in all the way, then press and then pull it out. Now right here you have one little spring that needs to come out. Gently, not to lose that one, okay, hold it with your finger when you pull it out. Now this right here is the coolant temperature sensor, which in most cases will be really stuck guys, because it has an O-ring that actually gets stuck quite a bit here. So we might need to get actually pliers, okay, to get that thing out. Let's see, ours came out, but in some cases that coolant temperature sensor, okay, seal can be so stuck that you have a hard time removing it. If you want to see how to test coolant temperature sensor on Hyundai guys, we have it on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys, so check it out. It will teach you everything from start to finish. Once you get the new one, you install it in reverse order. We took it apart. Most people will actually just add coolant and start driving. That's number one mistake. You need to add coolant and you need to bleed the cooling system on your Hyundai Tucson. If you don't bleed it, you can severely overheat the engine and you may need the engine rebuilt or the engine replaced. So always bleed the cooling system and get the air out of the cooling system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.